Hey everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. Chuck, glad to see you here. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for coming along, joining me on our journey here. You know, we got a YouTube page, got a Facebook group that we do. I want to introduce you to one of our sponsors. So let's look at an energy drink called Blue Frog. 100% organic. You can get the original Blue Frog, or you can get Blue Frog 2. Both of them are based with the Fucoidan seaweed. It's the world's #1 organic healthcare thing that everybody wants is the Fucoidan seaweed. And these two are built with that, with other organic products within inside of them. So if you're looking for an energy drink that doesn't have all the fallout from the other ones, you know, the big name brand ones, and a healthier way to have an energy drink to boost your energy, to keep you healthy, check into Blue Frog. I will leave a link in the description below. Just click on that link, get all the information you need, and thank you for checking us out.